For expert technicians, repairing laptop keyboards is not a challenging task. So, if you are suffering from such a problem and searching for a dependable solution, contact a recognized repair shop and get over your problem. iTech Xpress is the most recognized name in this regard. They ensure quality parts and satisfying repairing service on a fair budget. They are capable of offering a wide range of services to all levels of clients. And they perform everything with their skilled technicians having great knowledge in this field. Need more details? Browse iTechXpress.com and check thoroughly. Or you can call 626-777-4747 and discuss with their technical experts. And be confident to have a satisfying laptop keyboard repair service with them.